Hi, I'm Jared Dillingham in Rome, showing you what a day trip looks like to Assisi, a medieval hilltop village about 2.5 hours away, which is home to St. Francis, who was one of Italy's patron saints. Assisi is a pretty large city with a series of winding, hilly, cobblestone streets. It is full of stores and restaurants where you'll find stone pizza ovens, homemade pasta, and truffles, known as tartuffe on the menus here. Assisi is known for its ceramic stores and has a lot of lavender shops for tourists. And while you'll find much of Assisi crowded with busloads of tourists, you'll find some peace and quiet just by wandering off a few blocks from the main street. You can also go climb to the highest point on the hill, Rocco Maggiore, a castle and fortress built in the 1300s. You'll see preservation work here is a constant. The walk to the fortress also gives you a great vantage point to look out over the beautiful Italian countryside. You could see the Assisi Cathedral down below. The Duomo dates back to the 1100s and is where the baby who'd become St. Francis was baptized. Traveling to Assisi from Rome is very easy by train on the Trenitalia line. Make sure to get to the Roma Termini station half an hour before your train leaves, just to give yourself time to figure out how to use the ticket kiosk and to walk to your platform. It can be a really long walk to the train itself. From Roma Termini, it's 12 euros or 18 euros depending on which class of train ticket you buy. Okay, a quick note about the trains here in Italy. These regional trains, they will offer you first class and second class, which they call ordinary class. Well, the seats are the exact same. The legroom is the exact same. The only difference? There's a table in first class between the seats, so maybe that'll help you make a decision. The whole ride will take you 2 to 2.5 hours from Rome. After arriving at the Assisi train station, you still have to get up to the hilltop city a few miles away. You could take the bus, which runs every 30 minutes, or a taxi, which will cost 15 to 20 euros each way. Expensive, but efficient. I think you'll have a great time no matter what time of year you visit, but maybe consider coming during the winter months when temperatures are still in the 50s or 60s during the day and the crowds are quite a bit smaller.